Alright, just been playing around with doing some weird little like hammering on this stock Pearl cymbal. I'm just curious to see how it ends up making it sound. Obviously I am no pro at this. This will be fun. We'll see how it turns out. Let's turn this baby into a Zildjian K. How about that? Oh my god. Okay, so I did a bit of extra hammering off camera. Ultimately, I ended up creating a dense 2-inch ring directly surrounding the bell. The hammering was limited to a specific area in an attempt to prevent the sound from becoming too trashy, as well as subconsciously mimicking the patterns found on the Meinl Dual series. All the hammering was done from the top of the cymbal, and I have yet to try it on the bottom side. Here's how it sounds before and after. Alright, now let's see how it mixes into a track. Now I gotta say, it might not be any fancy B20 alloy cymbal, but I do like the sound much better. Because of this, I decided to do the same thing to my top hi-hat. While working on it, I tested out the sound at different stages in the hammering process, so you all can get an idea of how these small dents transform the tone. I really couldn't have anticipated that this little side project was going to be so much fun and have such interesting results. Even though these cymbals are cheap, I gotta say that the hammering really added some great character to both of them. This project started completely on a whim over this weekend, so I do apologize for the excessive amount of iPhone quality footage and audio. But if you're interested in seeing more projects like this, as well as my countless other YouTube endeavors involving gardening, sound design, and drums, feel free to support my work via the Patreon link in the description. Thank you for watching.